guys, what's up? It's Simone here. I'm out of my YouTube coma, so expect to see a whole lot of videos from me within the next couple of days and weeks and months. All right, so let's get straight onto this video. So I'm working with WowAfrican. It's been a minute since I've worked with them, but I always end up coming back to working with them. I mean, there's no reason why I stop, but I have so many companies that I work with, but I specifically love the lace on their units, and I just love how their units are really just a one quick install tutorial video. Like, I don't have to do much besides either change my technique or try different things or different hairstyles. I love how their unit just sits flat on my head and the wig does the work for me. But in this video, I decided that I really wanted to try something not different because I've done it before, but something that I haven't done in a while. So I went ahead and I used my Gotta Be Glue gel technique, and it took a lot of work, took more work than this hairspray would, but I just feel like right now my skin and hairspray, it is just not working. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys in this video, besides the whole install technique, is how to just really install your unit in a short amount of time. I'm like, it takes too long sometimes to be installing your unit, or you just overthink it. This unit literally only took me about 40 minutes to install. I did end up going out later at night, so I only had about 2 hours to spare, and being able to do this in 40 minutes just kind of shows you guys that it's easy, it's simple, and it can be done if the unit has already been done for you. So besides me installing it, cutting my baby hairs, as you can see, and really just plucking the part to my liking, that was all that I really needed to do to get this wig looking fantabulous. I did go ahead and add some extra curls in it because for me, I like my curls to look fresh and have a bounce to it, but I really love the way this unit came out. Love the color, by the way. Love the color. They always get it on point. So I did add some oil to my hair because it's really important to give it that lifelike shine. So this side to me came out better than the other side, if I'm going to be 1,000% honest. Only because I put too much gel on the other side, but that's okay. We kind of fixed it. So I wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup. A lot of you on Instagram are always asking me to show you guys how I do my makeup on YouTube, but I really don't because I feel like it don't really get that much views. So I'm like, do I edit all that for YouTube, or do I edit all that for Instagram and actually get some kind of recognition? I'd rather do Instagram. And it's much more fun. I can use whatever song I want. So to get started, I went ahead and did my eyebrows. My technique has practically been the same, and I get my eyebrows done probably once every month or once every month and a half, and I just pluck out what's underneath. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay setting spray along with my L'Oreal Infallible primer to go ahead and put on my face before I put my foundation. Now, your girl has been tanning in the sun daily, okay? No amount of sunscreen or suntan, whatever, is actually making me not get tan. Hey, Deja, what up, girl? So, right now my skin is really tan. It's going through a very tan transition, and this is the darkest foundation I have, so I'm going to try to make it work. I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Concealer and put this underneath my eyes and in the places that need to be concealed, and then use my Black Radiance contour palette to kind of make it not look so rough around the edges, really blend this in. And then I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder. It's one of my favorites. I think it's in the color Blondie. And then I'm going to use a face brush to just kind of blend everything out, make sure there is no harsh lines, no visible white powder lines or anything like that. Now I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I love this palette. It's really simple. It has all the colors that I use. If I'm going on vacation, this palette is the one that comes with me every single time because I can get so many neutral looks and vibrant looks out of this. Now I'm going to be using the color, this purpley looking color, I didn't get to see what name it was, and really putting that in the corner and blending this out to kind of give it a little bit more definition, okay? Use your golds and put this in the inner parts of your eyelids, kind of bringing it out a little bit, but really making this color pop. And the way I do that is by dabbing it and by also packing it on, okay? Really going back in and repacking it onto my eyelids. Next, with that purple color, put that on your lid. Once that is on your bottom lid, it's time for the eyeliner. Now, practice makes perfect, because I can see myself getting a little bit better every time I do my eyeliner. So I know something is starting to get a little bit better. Now, my eyelashes are from the beauty supply store. Which one are they? I don't know. Okay, just get whatever lashes you love and put them on your lashes. Now I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier highlight and my Urban Decay setting spray, and just put this all over my face. Now, I'm so extra with this damn blow dryer, but I just feel like it dries my face better, and it's less work for me rather than having to fan my face. Now, typical regular black brown liner, lip liner, put that on your lips, and a neutral color. And here you go. This is the end result. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved my end result. I thought it was flawless. If you're looking for any of the items that I use besides the makeup products, that might be on my Instagram, but as far as the hair, make sure you go down below to the description box. I'll have all the information there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Wow, what's wrong with me? Watching this. I really appreciate it.